Hey everybody, it's Scott Smith from Southern California. We just got in this new BMW 435 convertible. That was a pretty cool combination. Thought I'd shoot a little walk around for you. Hey, if you like this, please share it with your friends, other media sources. Give me a thumbs up. This one is the Midnight Blue Metallic with the oyster black leather interior. This is a sport line package. So this one has the sport line with the upgraded 19-inch wheels. Also has the M Sport brakes. 4-piston up front, 2-piston in the back. Real nice upgrade. You got the signature black mirror caps, black, that come with the sport line. This one does have the full adaptive LED lighting package. And then also you see the lower part of the front bumper. It's got the shiny black design for the sport line. Also has the black blades in the kidney grille, a little bit more aggressive. And that comes with the sport line. I'll put the top down in just a minute to show you that. Show you a couple of things that are in the back. One thing with the sport line, you get the black tailpipes, which is kind of nice. You don't see the carbon buildup as quick. They really done a nice job on their metallic paints too. Show you the trunk space here with the top up. You got to pull up the blade and get that out of the way. You can put some golf clubs in here, maybe just pull the driver out of the bag. Not too hard, pretty good amount of space with the top up. Blade's got to be down for the top to go down. Give you another shot here from the outside. This is a 3-liter turbo 6, 300 horsepower, 300 foot-pounds of torque. You get all the torque at 1300 RPMs. It's got an 8-speed automatic transmission in it. Also the gas mileage on this one from the manufacturer, let's see, 20 and 30, with an average of 24. One thing that is nice now is it's not mandatory to run premium gas. You can go to the 89 octane or middle grade. It says it right on the gas cap for you. Base price $54.9 US dollars. This one's at $68,350. Harman Kardon, M Sport brakes, technology package with the heads-up display, premium lighting package, driver's assistance, cold weather, and sport line. So we consider this a pretty loaded car. And get around to the driver's side here. Just turn it off real quick, put the top down. So since it has the premium package, you get the comfort access feature. Also, as you can see in the door seal, we still got the protective tape on it, but it does say BMW Sport. But with the remote, you can put the top down. So let's see if I can get this to work. Lock it, push unlock once, hold it down on the second one. There goes the windows. They say it's about 23 seconds for the top to go down. It's always cool to watch. There we go. So now let's step away, get you a nice shot here with the oyster interior, midnight blue. One thing that's really nice with the newer model now, the 4 Series convertible, is you get the wind deflector included, which I know new back on the 3 Series could be, $500-600. So they store it behind the seat for you. Also, if you do need to throw some luggage in the back seat, if you're going on a weekend trip or a trip, can't fit it all in that spot in the trunk, at least they've made this all black. So if you throw some bags on it or stuff like that, at least you're not getting the oyster leather all scratched up or dirty. You do have cup holders there in the middle. There is air conditioning and a charging port there for you. This one does have the full cold weather package, so you do have the neck warmers. You've got a heated steering wheel. You also have the front heated seats. Let's jump in real quick, start it up. Got the nice navigation system with a 20 gig hard drive for music, 20 gigs for music. Got it on the got it on the Google imaging at 1 mile. When you get down below that, you'll see it moves to a gray. They do have an option for nighttime, so you have contrast of darker colors so the screen's not as bright. But they really do put some nice wood in these cars. This one's got the sports steering wheel. You can see the heads-up display floating out in front there. You can see the 0 miles per hour. Jump out for a minute. What's nice too with this design is you see the flooring's black, you get black mats, so dust, dirt, stuff you carry into the car, at least you can take it out, shake it off, clean it up. Because I can only imagine what this would look like with an all-white interior. So at least, you know, places where you're going to bring in dirt and stuff, at least they kept it dark. And the trunk, they came out on the 4 Series with an easier access feature for getting to the storage area. So pop this up. As you can see, you've got kind of a small little slot there to put stuff in and out, but let's say you've got some duffel bags or something you need to get to really quick, something on a road trip, let's say. Well, up here you've got the arrow buttons. Just push up. And now this whole thing moves up for you. And then the top is moved up. There we go. Now you can get down here, pull up the shield. Now you can get to all the storage, which is really nice. Get to that bag you need to, throw some stuff in, grab something. Make sure you got to put the blade back down. I'm back up here. There goes the top. There it goes. It's really quick. I mean, maybe 4 or 5 seconds and it's back in place. You don't need to slam the rear door just because it's self-leveling. Midnight blue metallic with oyster black leather interior, sport line. Pretty much what we would consider out here a loaded car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Share it with your other friends and media sites, guys. Thumbs up.